Hey guys, Aaron Huskey with Huskey Turf Solutions. If your lawn suddenly starts looking stressed in the summer, or bugs seem to be taking over your yard, there's a good chance lawn insects are the culprit. Now let's talk about why Total Lawn Insect matters. Total Lawn Insect is our treatment designed to protect your lawn from damaging insects before they cause major issues. It targets common pests like armyworms, mole crickets, sod webworms, grubs, ticks, and other lawn damaging insects. And if left untreated, these pests can destroy healthy turf fast. Here's why homeowners add this treatment. It helps protect your lawn before major damage happens. It can prevent costly repairs like seeding or even resodding. It targets multiple local Oklahoma lawn pests. And it will give you peace of mind during peak insect season. For best protection, we typically recommend applications in April, July, and October. That timing helps keep your lawn protected through the main insect cycles that we see here in Oklahoma. Here's a few signs that your lawn may already have insect pressure. Brown patches showing up quickly, areas getting worse even with watering, grass just pulling up easily from the soil, birds pecking heavily in certain spots, or visible insects or larvae in the turf. The biggest thing to understand is this. By the time most homeowners notice insect damage, the insects usually have been feeding for weeks. Protecting your lawn proactively can save you a lot of frustration and a lot of money later. At Huskey Turf Solutions, we help homeowners keep their lawn protected and looking their best all season long. Like and subscribe for more lawn care tips.